In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your village in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've just built a new village square. Now you can go ahead and upgrade this by interacting with the village square, and you can see the upgrade button here. To upgrade to the second level village, you need 15 wood, 15 granite, and you need to increase your village rating by adding to your village. So what this basically means is you need to go ahead and start building in your village. So you just want to come into the build menu and build like shacks and things like that. So what I've done, I've basically built 2 simple shacks and a campfire. So when you've built enough to upgrade your village, what's going to happen, you're going to see there's a villager coming across to my village square too. So once this is all done, you can go back into your village square, interact with it, and you will now be able to go ahead and upgrade your village. So that is how to go ahead and upgrade your village in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.